Every road starts somewhere. And while most people think of them as a way to get from point A to point B, at the Gorman Group, we think about roads a little differently. For us, great roads start with great people. People who understand that attention to detail is more than just a catchphrase. People who put quality at the top of the list, day in and day out. People with a mission to maintain safer roads for our communities and keep each other safe in the process. People with enough road construction experience to treat it as an art. Backed by people who understand it as a science. Because when your business has been around for more than 100 years, your people have had some time to get it right. To take raw materials from here, test and process it, and turn it into this. It takes determined, honest, reliable people. Every road has a beginning, but at the end of the day, what moves us, what brings us near, and takes us far. That space between point A and point B, that is where we live.